Welcome back guys in another video from our tutorial in AutoCAD. Today we can make a review and start drawing another problem to include many other things in AutoCAD. Let's start. At the first, as we learn, we can open a new modules from here. Today we can drawing in inch, so we can open this template, a cut it. As we see, we can see this model. It's all be in inch. Let's press view letter. As we see, it's inch. Let's make a review to our previous video from drawing model, draw model or draw box. There is a line and polyline, circle. There is many feature of circle and many chooses to draw circle, arc, also rectangle and polygon, ellipse, hatch. This thing that included most of them in previous video. From modify, that means the tools that we can get benefit from it, like move, rotate, trim, copy, mirror, fillet, stretch, scales, poly array, offset. So let's start drawing our problem. At the first, from properties, offline, we can load it, center line, and call X line, draw an infinity center line to be our guideline, and set our centers of this shape. Center is a small circle, center of ellipse about 4.3/4, like 4.75. From there we can make an offset 4.75. also this center about 9.1/4. from this side 2.25. from vertical one it's about this distance, the radius of this out arc. It's like 1.75. offset 1.75. Now we set like most of our centers. Let's start drawing it. From this center, start drawing this small circle of a drill, that means diameter 0.75. Draw also this small one at the end of our shape, drill 0.5. Now let's start draw this big one, big circle, drill 1.75, drill 2.25. Now let's start make a line between them, and the angle between these two lines, it's 30 degrees from origin line or center line. That means from upper line to center line the angle will be 15, from down also 15. Let's make a trim to this line that didn't want it. Start select two pieces of line and make poly array from this center. Try to choose the number of items, just 4. Now made a trim two pieces that didn't relate it in our shape. As we see, is the same the problem shape. When we make a poly array, these pieces it be like one pieces. If we deleted one of them, it delete all shape. If we make it a separate audit, try to choose this one. As we see separate pieces, and you can delete and trim separate line that we wanted. Now we start draw this arc from here, the radius 0.75, and now we start draw our ellipse 1.5 minor and major before. Now we start trim this section because it didn't include our shape, and trim also this one, and start to draw this arc of radius 0.5 and start trim it. Now from this center with the circle and draw this arc, the radius 1.75. Start to trim. Let's make a line between these two arcs and start the fillet. As we say, the fillet it's used when we need to draw an arc with unknown center. Select the object, the radius 1.5. Now we start draw this quarter ellipse from here 3.5 major 12. Start make a move to this ellipse in this center and start trim the section I didn't include it like this. As we see, this is the final shape. Now let's start put the dimension. At first, let's change the color of our line. Let's be green. When we put dimension, it's be green because it's to be more clear to see it. And choose from notation a linear. At first, let's put this dimension of centers from this center to this. What it have also, it have a diameter circle and diameter of other circle, the outer one. Now we continue in diameter for this circle and this one. Now we change to radius for this arc. Now we finish our diameter. Let's choose a leader to put this diameter of ellipse at the first. Let's choose this. Choose green and start right like this. Semi/semi-ellipse major 8 inch and minor axis 3 inch. We can move it here and wherever we want, and we can select all of them and try to change our size. A leader also for this one is to quarter. As we see, now we finish everything and our dimension is exactly of the origin shape. If you have any comment or any feedback, please put it in the comment, and thank you for your watching my video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you so much.